Hi, my name is Tim Lewis. I'm a software developer for Big Sky Interactive. I'm here at InfoComm 2026, and we're showing our new TouchFree kiosk. It's a fully touchless web browser, basically. So this is a web page that was made in Claude very quickly. But you can see the cursor is very smooth, a lot of precision with this cursor. And of course, it also has several other gestures. It has a wave forward, a wave back, a rotate for scrolling up and down. And I'll show you the back end. You can load any web page or a PDF in it. And then also set up the camera. It's a plug-and-play system with a computer and a camera. You can see it's focused on my left hand here. And now it's on the right hand, and other people walking around. My other hand is here, but it's sticking on my right hand. And what it's doing is it's tracking those landmarks over time. And so it's a fully motion gesture control system. And check it out at website www.bigskyinteractive.com. And this is InfoComm 2026. Thank you so much.